Hey guys, I'm Mike with Blue Collar Van and Truck Sales. Today's video is going to be discussing a few common issues that you may encounter when it comes to your wheelchair lift. I've come up with a little checklist of things that we're going to go over from least invasive to most invasive to determine what's causing your issues. First thing you want to look for is to make sure that your power switch is on, which is located right near the bottom of the tower of the wheelchair lift itself. Right above it is the remote control. You want to make sure that's fastened and tightened properly because this can definitely create issues with your lift. Up here in the driver's seat, first thing you want to make sure is that the vehicle is on and that the vehicle's in park. Second step is you want to make sure your parking brake is engaged. After you've confirmed the vehicle's in park and your parking brake is engaged, you'll notice these three red steady lights. If these lights are flashing, it can indicate that there's a communication error between your wheelchair lift and the interlock system. Typically, underneath the dashboard here on the driver's side, you'll have a connector that connects to a port that communicates with the interlock system. This particular model doesn't have it, but in any case, it's always good to check and make sure if you do see it, it's connected properly. Lastly, you want to make sure your relay hasn't been tripped. If it is, you'll notice that it has a little red indicator that pops out. You simply push it back in, and that gives you power to the lift. Once we've gone through our checklist and made sure everything is the way it's supposed to be, we should have a fully functioning wheelchair lift, such as this. And there you have it, guys. If you continue to have issues with your lift, you can always try to reach out and contact the local technician. If you happen to be in the Miami-Dade, Tri-County area, give us a call with the phone number in the description below, and we can actually refer one of our trusted technicians who can come out to your home or office and take a look at your lift.